Combining the kitchen, dining room, and living room is a great solution for small apartments. Therefore, it is often used in modern interiors. The kitchen design of the studio visually enlarges the modest size of the dwelling. An open layout makes the space more functional, comfortable, fills with home comfort. It is necessary to think over it, starting from the planning stage. This is the only way to get a solid and harmonious interior. A well-thought-out layout is the key to a rational organization of space and an attractive interior. The features of the premises and the requirements of the owners are taken into account. It is also important to know whether the studio kitchen will be used for receiving guests, spending free time, doing homework for children, and more. This affects the appearance of the room in the future, the choice of zoning methods, the location of furniture and household appliances, finishing, work, and lighting. All places should be as useful as possible. It is better to discard what will not be used. For example, furniture, objects, zones. If a family dinner is not a tradition, then you can refuse a bulky table. An excellent replacement would be a bar counter. It is convenient, takes up a minimum of space, will make the room look stylish. Do you choose a cafe to meet with friends? Do not arrange home gatherings. In this case, there is no need for a living room. The entire space can be occupied by a bedroom with a work area. For those who like to cook, a large and multifunctional kitchen set is suitable. Otherwise, it is enough to install a hob and a small countertop, the dimensions of which can be no more than 70 centimeters. It is convenient to cook on it, and it takes up a minimum of space. The design project of the studio kitchen should take into account all the details. Particular attention should be paid to communications. Changing the location of the sink must be done correctly. Since there is a bathroom near the kitchen where the water connection point is, a new location may require additional systems to keep communication stable and seamless. If the room has a gas stove and a water heater, a partition or doors of a sliding structure, then manipulations can only be carried out if there are regulatory requirements. Otherwise, there will be problems with the regulatory authority. It will be difficult to get approval for redevelopment. This situation is typical for old buildings. New houses mainly provide for the installation of an electric stove. The condition for a good interior for such a layout is the smooth flow of zones. At the same time, their functional significance is preserved, the boundaries are clearly traced. The latter are represented by two options, real and conditional. Their choice depends directly on the characteristics of the living space. If we are talking about a small apartment, then one option is enough for her. The modern market offers a large selection of furniture. The kitchen set is no exception. It is presented in a wide range. They differ in color, size, design features, and other characteristics. Despite this, choosing the right option for the studio kitchen is quite difficult. An excellent solution to the problem will be a custom-made headset. This will take into account the individual characteristics of the premises and the requirements of the customer. It will be easy to use and cost more than a standard set of cabinets. The built-in type of kitchen is perfect. It looks beautiful, compact, imperceptibly flows into the interior. For its separation, plasterboard walls are used. Clutter in the kitchen is common. It is not easy to hide it with this method of planning. Spacious headset cabinets will help in this. There should be a lot of them, and the size is large. You can create a harmonious and coherent picture of the headset using facades that are crushed to a minimum. It is better to install to long cabinets than standard 4. Kitchen modules should be wide. Facade headset without handles, the best option for small-sized housing. The opening of the lockers can be performed on a push-to-open basis. If it does not suit you, then it is appropriate to use milled or profiled handles on the facade. Tall cabinets are quite roomy, so they will be an excellent element in a small headset. In the second tier, you can place utensils that are rarely used. The main advantages of such furniture include functionality, a neat appearance, the absence of dust at the top, and an original joint with the ceiling. The room visually seems much higher. To achieve a similar effect, when installing a traditional headset, the ceiling level is lowered. This will allow him to harmoniously fit into the overall picture of the interior. You can hide household appliances with tall column cabinets. In a large room, a section consisting of 2 canisters is appropriate. She will place a refrigerator, washing machine, and kitchen utensils. Choosing furniture for the studio, you should give preference to compact. A sliding table and a folding sofa occupy a minimum of space, convenient to use. They have the ability to grow in size. Transforming and mobile pieces of furniture are an excellent solution for this case. It is better to place a table for lunch near the window. Do not put it in the middle of the room, as it will interfere. It should not block the passage between the zones of the room.